Hi friends, welcome back to another fall clean and decorate with me. In this video, I'm going to be decorating my living room. If you guys watched my kitchen clean and decorate with me, you probably noticed that I used a lot of wood pieces and a lot of browns and copper in the kitchen. I'm going to make it all flow into the living room as well, so I'm going to be using the same color combination that I used in the kitchen. The hardest part of decorating for me is having a huge mess, you guys. It makes me feel like my house is so cluttered. I've had like all of the decorations here in the living room for a few days already, and oh my gosh, I felt so overwhelmed and frustrated. I'm really glad that I finally got around to making this video so I can clean everything up and put the stuff that I'm not going to use back into the shed. I want to thank you all for watching my video today. If you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you guys would subscribe. If you guys love watching clean and decorate with me for all of the different seasons and holidays. I'm going to start by making an arrangement for my floating shelf using these leaf picks. I bought these several years ago over at Michael's, but I'm sure if you wanted to recreate this, you can find different leaves at like Hobby Lobby or even Michael's. I've seen every year that they bring these back. I haven't gone lately, so I don't know if they're back this year or not, but I'm sure you can find something similar. I'm going to be using some zip ties to keep the arrangement all together. So like that, I don't have to worry about it coming apart once I have it up on the floating shelf. The zip ties are super easy to use. You just loop it through and pull it, and it keeps everything really nice and tight. I am going to be using several of them. I decided to use these other picks. I believe I got these at Hobby Lobby just in the normal floral section, not in the fall section a couple of years ago as well. I went to several stores looking for a garland for my floating shelf, but I couldn't find one that I really liked. So that's why I decided to make my own arrangement for it. And I think it looks so beautiful, you guys. I hope you guys like it too. I wanted something that was a neutral color and a little bit of pops of copper. You'll see at the end how nice it came out, but I really like it a lot. I decided to use that mirror that I purchased at Hobby Lobby here on my mantle. I think it looks so beautiful with everything. All of the other colors complement it so much. The copper, the browns, the neutral colors. I just love how the floating shelf came out this year.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing. If I told you that I don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray, but I pray anyway. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you. If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper.
Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow and the late just like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. Since I was a little child, every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. I wonder where they're going, the flight of swallows sailing through the sky. There's no way of knowing, but maybe someplace far from you and I. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. Dancing through the last days of September.
Happy early fall, my friends. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I want to show you around my living room. I think it looks beautiful. I love how everything came out. Everything looks so nice. The color combinations are my favorite this year. A lot of brown tones, neutral colors, and a little bit of copper and gold here and there. I just think it looks so nice. If you have a question of where I purchased any of my decor, leave me a comment down below and I'll get back to you. But I want to thank you so much for watching this clean and decorate with me for fall. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video just to music so you can see all of my living room decorations.